Hello friends, welcome to Conscious Cooking. We are making apple cinnamon and raisins muffin today, so let's get started. Reva, can you help me?
Yes, Mummy. For the muffins, we will need 1.5 cups of self-raising flour, a half cup of ground almonds, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 1/3 cup of raisins, 2 apples peeled, cored and chopped, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of olive oil or any light oil, 2/3 cup of almond milk. Let's get started with the dry ingredients. First, sieve the flour. And make sure you don't drop any on your surface. Add the cinnamon powder along with the ground nutmeg. Now add the ground almonds, raisins and the chopped apples. Whenever I help Mummy in the kitchen, she always says, always create nice and happy and positive thoughts. Mummy, this muffin is going to be so tasty, delicious and yummy. Okay? Now add the sugar. Mix it up. Then add the oil. Mix it in. Pour in the almond milk. You don't have to add as much as we said. You can add how much you like. If the dough seems a bit too dry, add a little bit more milk. But don't add too much milk, otherwise the whole batter will become very wet and it will become more sloppy. Repeat the step. And now add the vanilla extract and mix together. Now our muffin mix is ready. This recipe makes 6 enormous or 12 average size muffins. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until risen and firm on top. And now you feast.